Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with a super easy pigtail style that I like to do for summer, for the beach, and just with a normal 3-strand braid. I'm starting this hairstyle with the middle parting, and for the time being I'm just bringing away the hair from the left hand side so that I can concentrate on the right. To be able to wear a headband or a hat or whatever, we are going to place the first pigtail on the height of the ear and in the wear of the head. That means, like I showed you, perhaps 1 inch far away from the middle parting. And then when we have the ponytail done, we're going to do the second one on the other side. Check again, I'm holding the hair on the height of the ear and more in the back of the head so that they won't annoy and won't be seen from the front. If they are not perfectly on the same height, just adjust by pulling a bit the hair up. Now you need some tiny elastics, and we are going to divide the ponytail into 3 equal strands. To start a regular 3-strand braid, you're going to bring the right strand over the middle strand and then the left strand over the middle strand. You do this pattern until you want to finish your braid. When the hairs are too short, you will just stop and tie with a little elastic that is not seen. I love to take the thicker ones for the top because they do not annoy, they do not pull. You can always cover them up with a strand of hair. This I can show you in another tutorial. For the time being, I did it this way to make it as easy as possible. Take your time by braiding, because then the result is going to be neater. And if you have thin hair, you can always widen the braid by pulling the outer edges, what is called pancaking. Here the same thing, I'm tying off the braid and secure it with a tiny elastic, and this is our finished style. Just 2 pigtails, not too high, so that you can wear a cap, some other decoration on your head, what you like for summer. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye bye.